Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to create an easy, super quick envelope that you can put in your junk journal. So I am taking a piece of ledger paper that I coffee dyed, and I am folding it and leaving about a ½ inch, almost an inch, and then just folding that over. Now I'm going to be collaging the front part. I'm taking some tissue paper, it's actually vintage, sewing pattern paper, but you can use tissue paper, a napkin, whatever elements that you have, supplies that you have on hand. This is a great way to use up, leftover bits of paper and materials that you have in your stash. And so I'm just applying a light layer of glue and brushing it on to get an even coat. The reason why I like to put the least amount of glue as possible is because I don't like to wait for it to dry to then do stamping on top of it. This works out better for me, just to apply a thin layer. It'll dry quicker, and then I don't have to wait as long to do stamping on top of it. So now I'm taking a Tim Holtz journaling card and just cutting part of it out, and just adding some more layers, some more points of interest to my envelope that I'm going to put in my junk journal. I like to rough up the edges. You can use a distress tool. You could just use scissors. It's simple, easy, cheap, and then I just apply some glue, press it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and stamp over the top of it in different areas. Now I want to cover up my flap, so I'm taking some cardstock and just going to measure it and cut it. I'm mostly just eyeballing it, but you could measure, make some lines to cut it precisely. So after doing some stamping, now I'm going to take this edge, and I'm going to flip it on the inside. And I'm going to leave the inside blank for maybe some journaling that I want to do later, or I might want to, do like a photo montage on the inside. For now, I'm just going to tuck it right into my junk journal and just leave it there until I want to add some more things to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.